well, we're going to leave this like this for a moment. I'm going to pop into perspective viewport and let's just zoom around a little bit. I need to get into these sections down here. We're still in edge, so press that one and press shift, control, select that one, press shift and then select the next one. Up here in this corner press control, and down here pressing shift to select those, control up here, shift to select these, and popping over we're going to select chamfer. Again it goes crackers, so clear it and let's just increase it by 0.2. looks fine. Say OK on that. Into our left viewport, so L on the keyboard, let's zoom in and zoom back. Now we're going to leave this for a moment. Click off there, come up to the root, into our create panel, and we're going to select plane. Now let me just zoom in a little bit. Okay, so what we're going to do now, well, if you look on here you'll see that these are tapering downwards. You see it better on these sections down here. So the tip, as you can see in these sections, they taper from the topwards down to the center, whereas these taper from the center down to the bottom. So what we're going to do is create, let's have a look, 1, 2, 3, goes to about there. We're creating a plane. Now it's at the back at the moment, so we just need to bring it to the front. So we've created it there. Let me go perspective mode, zoom out a little bit, rotate around, and there it is. So pop up, select our move tool, bring that to the front, and what I'm doing is getting it right on that section there where it's just been chamfered. Into our left viewport again, and Z on the keyboard. Let's come back here, up to our modify panel, because now I'm looking at the length segments. With segments 2 I want to increase that, so look, 1, 2 and another one, 3. Say OK on that one. Now what we need to do is just line this up to the middle section there. Let's convert this to an editable mesh. Into the root, open it up, and let's pop down to vertex. I'm going to look at these top ones first of all. R for our scale tool. Now let's just pull those in a little bit there. We're OK on these, still on vertex. Now let's move in a little bit. I want to select that one there, press Control, select that one, W for our move tool, bring that down. Now we know we've got some there, so let's just select those, bring them up a little bit. I'll put that one there, select that one, press Control, select that one, let's bring those down to about there. Let's pop up, have a look at these. These have got to come down here, so let's bring them down first of all. Yeah, put that one there. Select that one, press Control and that one. Let's just move that down to about there, and Control, move those down to there. And let's pop into our perspective viewport again, just zoom back a little bit and rotate around in a touch, and what we're going to do is pull that back, press undo, what I'm going to do is select all of them and pull them back to about there. Okay, just maybe a touch more and bring that up back a little bit. That's it. Lovely job there. Pop down, check these out, select those there, just bring them down in there a little bit, just check that, maybe this way a touch. Okay, now onto our edge, we'll select that edge, let's try selecting that edge and pressing Control, select that edge, just zoom back a little bit. I'm going to press Shift now, dragging that down and watching that bottom section there, so we can see it going through, and it's gone through that section there, cutting through and all the way up to there. Vertices, let's select that vertex there, Control that vertex there, and let's bring this back to there. We've got that part. Now what I need to do is just convert this to, come on, an editable poly. Okay, up to we'll say edge. Let's have a look at edit, get our swift loop, bring that down, one layer, and let's go put one there. Okay, polygon, let's right click for that one to end it, ignore back facing, I'm going to press that one, Control, select those, come around a little bit more and just take those back to about that much. Let's have a look. Yep, that's looking okay. Let's pull out a little bit. Let's go into left view and Z for zoom, and now let's pull out, deselect that one. I'm just looking at these, let's put them on vertices a little bit for a bit longer, looking at the width of those. Scale tool, let's scale those in a little bit more, grab these here and likewise just like that. Okay. Well, sorry about that, but the system crashed again. Okay, let's carry on with this. First of all, let's change this colour to our steel grey. Fine. Come out of editable poly there, pop into hierarchy, effect pivot only. Now what I want to do is bring this down here to the center of the wheel or the hub, so it needs to be looking at that line there and that line across there. That looks okay, so let's close that down. Now if we have a look, we've got 6 and they radiate around the circumference. Okay, now it could take me quite a while making copies of these and rotating them around. There is an easy way, and it's up in Tools. Let's pop down to Array, and now here's something new. Okay, what I want to do is have this rotate. Now we can see here that the y-axis is going up, the x-axis is going across, so therefore the z-axis should be coming towards us and to the back. So I'm going to go on rotate here, and in the Z axis I want these to rotate 360 degrees. So I'm going to put in here 360. Now how many do I want? Well, including this one, I need 6. So array dimensions, there's a count. It's set to a standard 10, but I want 6. So if we now press preview, there you go. It is as simple as that. So I now have 6 spokes all around our wheel hub. I'm going to say OK on that, and I know that time is pressing, so we'll continue this in the next session. I'll catch you then.